Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create business signatures here in Gmail. So what you want to do is locate the settings, then click on see all settings, then you just want to scroll down to the bottom, and then you will see the signature options here. Then you just want to click on create new. Then you want to go ahead and make a name for your signature. I'm just going to put signature 1. Then you can already input here your name or your business name. If you wanted a simple signature, you can just go ahead and write your name here like so, and then you can also put your occupation below, your website and all of that, and then you can just edit the text to a bold font or a italic font like that, and then we can already save that. But if you want a cool signature, we'll go ahead and create a new signature here. If you want a cool signature, you want to go ahead and go to Google Docs, and then you want to click on insert, then you want to click on table, then you want to insert a 2x1 table, and then you just want to adjust this, make the left side a little more shorter, and then over here at the right side you're going to put your name. Then you can also edit that and like change the color if you want, and then we can put your information like your occupation, your website and all of that. And then you just want to click on the border line here, and then change the border color to white, so make it transparent. And then I'm just gonna leave this one line here to like separate the name and the picture that I'm going to put here later on. So what you want to do is copy that table with the text you've put inside. Then you're going to head back to Gmail. Then you're going to place it here, the box. Then you want to click on the left side of the table. Then click on the photo. Then click at the photo icon here. Then I'm going to insert my image. Just click on Google Drive. Then click on upload. Then you want to upload your image. Then just click on allow. Well, at first it will be very big, but you just want to go ahead and click on it. And click on small. Then you just want to go ahead and edit anything else if you still want to edit it. But for me, it's already good now. So I'm just gonna scroll it down. Then just click on save changes. So now I'm going to compose the email. And over here at the bottom, you will see these 3 dots options. So just click on it. Then click on insert signature. Then I'm just going to choose signature 2. So that's it. Thanks for watching.